guys should have down by heart now. There you go.
Valve. V. No. Right there. This one. It's kind of one, you can see.
Okay, this is a little different view, but it's basically the same as we've seen. So if you were to ID this, Mandeep, what would you say?
Valve.
This is a lymph vessel. Can you see the valve?
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you see what looks like or is a partial V inside the lymph vessel, it's going to be a valve. And all these other structures on the outside are lymphocytes. So you have a lymph vessel within lymph tissue with the lymphocytes, and it shows a lymph vessel valve. This one should be pretty easy. Ooh.
Fine. All we have to do is hear talking to you.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah, it makes
What's that
sense.
mean? All right. Now don't screen out the answers until we get a chance.
That was a good one, right there.
All right, so let's say you have something like this. Don, what would you think this is?
Spleen?
Spleen,
That's a spleen.
And why do you think it's a spleen?
because there's red and white pulp.
Okay. So it shows the red pulp is where? Peripherally or central?
Peripherally,
And then the central is
white pulp.
white pulp. So these again are lymphocytes. And this slide is a little different than the ones we've seen. We've seen them before where they're a smaller congregation and they have red all around. But anytime you see whether it's small or large and they're surrounded by red with purple in the middle and there's no free surface, you know it's going to be spleen. What makes this a little more complicated is that if there was a free surface with some microvilli, it's actually the same kind of tissue you'd see in the spleen because it's Heyer's patches in the ileum. So don't be confused on that one. Oh, this is something a little different. This is a new slide. I don't even know we have this one.
I got it in the very big.
Yeah. I can't see a thing.